These networking events are, I think, crucial for entrepreneurs. And why is that? Of course, networking is very important. You have to bring your story all the time to investors, to collaborators.
New companies like Synton have evolved and really have generated a completely new landscape for innovation. And this innovation will probably be driven in the future by a lot of smart people, because I think in Holland one of our key advantages is that we really have smart people.
Development that I would like to see for the Netherlands is that we start working with an easier way to implement new innovations in the medical market. So think of hospitals that have innovation budgets to try new and test new devices in their market, for example, or innovation budgets for insurance companies.
Pivot Park would like to see in the future that there is a lot of room for new companies with great ideas to move them forward to bring medicine to the patients. And I think that's exactly what companies currently today that presented here are doing. They look for all kinds of circumstances that they can move their company forward with the main goal of bringing their medicines to the people. Yeah, I think this is really a great atmosphere that we have today. When you look at the entrepreneurs, they are so enthusiastic making the pitches for investors, but also in the network, in the lunches and during the drinks. People are really very enthusiastic. But next to that, I think we also have very experienced speakers that tell about exits, about pricing strategies, and about how to move their company forward.
So one of the things we do as the top sector is to support young entrepreneurs in the life sciences, and by this type of events we invite them to get here to get into contact with the more experienced entrepreneurs, and this whole scene is getting more and more grown up, as you say. So there's better connections between the startups and the existing companies. The advice that I would have for those young entrepreneurs is to make sure that you are actually in these kind of events, because you meet so many people that can help you make the next steps for you as a young entrepreneur.
I must say I'm very new to being an entrepreneur, so I'm actually taking a lot of advice instead of giving it. So the only thing that I can say is just go with the flow and enjoy it.
The biggest transition for a scientist to becoming an entrepreneur is learning to take advice from others and to work with them.